Hi everyone and welcome to a new video on my channel. It is Friday and it's the 17th of September, which means that today Midnight Flight is being released on Craft Consortium's shop, and for all of you guys to buy. It's a beautiful collection by Melissa Lowry. It has some absolutely gorgeous products in the collection. It's everything from washi tape to sequins to puffy stickers to, of course, the paper collections, which is in size 6x6 and 12x12. And my fellow design team ladies in this hop will be sharing their projects and some products, and it's just going to be really fun. So if you go into the description box, you will see a list of all of the design team ladies that's taking part in this YouTube release hop, and be sure to check them out because they've created some gorgeous projects that you just need to see. In this video, I want to share with you two cards that I've created, and then I also want to show you the paper collection. Throughout the week, I will be releasing some other projects I've created with this paper collection. It's just gorgeous and I've had so much fun. But I'm starting off with two cards because I think that's a good start. So without any further ado, I thought it would be fun if I actually shared with you the actual paper pad itself, because it is gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Before I share with you two of the cards that I've created for this YouTube hop, I want to do a quick flip through of the paper pad itself because it's so pretty. It's really gorgeous, and my camera actually doesn't do it justice, which is a little bit sad. But the paper pad itself consists of 40 double-sided sheets. It's 200 GSM papers. It's acid free, and it's just really nice. And it's that kind of thick, nice cardstock that Craft Consortium is famous for, and which is so nice to create with. I just love it. So the backing has these cutout pieces that you can cut out and use on your cards, and then the front side has some other images that you can also like topper embellishments that you can cut out, and they are different, so they're not the same, so you get a variety of lovely cutout elements to use. So let's start the flip through and look through some of these beautiful papers. Now, when you have seen the actual paper pad, I want to share with you the cards that I've created, or two of the cards that I've created. I've got some more cards lined up, but I'm going to share those in the next few days on Craft Consortium Facebook group and Instagram and such. So yeah, if you don't follow me on my Instagram channel, it's TheMissHaven, yeah, follow me on there and you will sort of see another part of my life that I don't film on YouTube. But yeah, so the fun thing with this collection, which you can obviously see quite in these cards, is how one paper can make a card look more teenagey, and then another paper can actually make it look more mature. So I wanted to show you that you can actually create kind of very different looking cards from the same paper collection, which is fun. So this card here is of course a little bit more youthful. It's very, very colourful. You've got the beautiful moth there in the middle, which kind of centers the card. I've used some beautiful papers there. I've used some enamel dots, some sequins I've just glued onto the paper itself, and then I used a gold cardstock to frame these papers, and I think it worked out quite good. And then in the middle I've of course got some more pattern paper that I've embossed. It's a little bit difficult to show that in the video, but it's embossed, and then I've used gold gliding gold gel, and yeah, it's just kind of framing that moth, which is the center of attention, and then it's this wonderful you. So this can just be a really nice thank you card, or just a card that you want to give to your friend. The next card is more mature and more autumnal. So this card is a windmill card that I created through my scanning cat. And I cut it out, all of the pieces to it, and then I glued it all together. And I've used the brown papers here with the lovely, lovely wine paper sheet, which is really nice as well. I've kind of centered the windmill on this cardstock, which is a little bit ruggedy, and then I've distressed it. I added this lovely sentiment, every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree, and it just kind of ties it all together quite nicely, which makes me really happy, because I know the perfect person to give this card to. And yeah, that's the two cards that I've created for this hop. If you want to see more pictures, go to the Craft Consortium Facebook group, join me on Instagram, and of course do not miss checking out the other lovely crafty ladies, design team members that have created projects and are sharing some lovely products from the new Midnight Flight paper collection by Craft Consortium. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, and check out the ladies in the description box. Bye!